Hey, Tina Stewart here with Keeping Real Estate Real. If you're interested in new construction in Columbus, Georgia, Phenix City, Alabama, or even all the way up to Auburn or LaGrange, I'm your new construction expert. Please contact me, Tina Stewart. I am your local real estate new construction expert, and I like to keep real estate real. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to hop in my calendar, there should be a link somewhere in the description for you to be able to do that. Or you can just call me directly on my cell phone, 706-366-5581. Can't wait to hear from you. Hey, here we're going to go into another floor plan that's offered here in Regal Point Community. I just wanted to give you a quick community highlight. We're only minutes away to the Village's Apothecary, which offers all your banking. There's Synovus Bank there, there's your pharmacy, there's a place to get coffee, donuts. Anything you want to do there is right just less than 2 miles to get to the Village's Apothecary. And then you're only about another 5 miles or so to get to what Bradley Park Drive, where you have all the shopping there, Target, Starbucks, all of the big box stores are located right off of Bradley Park Drive. So let's go look at this 5-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan. It's about a little bit over 2,500 square feet. One of the great things about this one is that the main ensuite is on the main floor, and there's also a guest ensuite that'd be perfect for an in-law if you were having to take care of your parents or a teenager that kind of wants their own privacy. It also has its own separate bathroom, and it's kind of tucked away, so there's a lot of privacy, and it's right next to the laundry room, so there's a lot of conveniences there. So we're going to go take a quick look at this house, and let me know if you like it. You can always just hop into my calendar and book a call with me. I'd be happy to do that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we're Tina Stewart. We're keeping real estate real. So let's go check out this house. Perfect. We come on in. Now this home is still under construction, so it's not super clean, but there is real hardwood floors. The ceilings in here, double 2-story ceilings, beautiful beam work up above. Lighting, you have a nice big formal dining room that's super open right off. And then as you come in, off to the left, right in front of the staircase, is the main ensuite. It has this sitting area. It's really, really nicely laid out. It's on the front side of the house. You get lots of natural light in here. The ceiling work is pretty unique. On one part of it is a tray ceiling, and then in the sitting area, it has like the cathedral ceilings. And then it does offer his and her closetry, one on each side. Has the lots of space to put your shoes and cabinetry. And then the bathroom has this gorgeous, like I said, it is under construction, freestanding soaking tub, along with a freestanding shower with beautiful tile and a little mosaic tile work on the floor. You have separate his and her vanities with quartz countertops. All of this builder offers all soft open and closed doors and drawers, which is a super nice feature. If you're like me, I can't stand to hear cabinetry banging, so I love the soft open and closed drawers. And if you want to take a quick peek, here's just one side of the his and her closet. It's kind of in a little skinny walkway, but it's maneuverable. Like I said, shelving in there, plenty of room to put your pocketbooks up above, anything like that, lots of shelving. And then we'll come on out of the main ensuite, and we'll just go right into the open floor plan. Your stairwell is right in front of your bedroom, but it opens up in this great big, massive dining room, open kitchen, or living room, I should say, with a fireplace, another dinette area to sit with your family to have breakfast. Great area there. A great little place for me. This would be my coffee station next to the refrigerator or a charging zone. A good sized pantry with real shelves, not those wire shelves. Quartz countertops, double sinks. Your dishwasher is underneath the island here. You have induction stove top with the knobs. This is all Frigidaire appliances, the professional grade, so it's an upgraded amenity with your vented microwave here. And then we'll go outside real quick, and I think this is one of the highlights of it is the nature of the backyard. Of course, it's not graded yet and finished, but you have a lot of wildlife that come through here. And then you have your fireplace. Lots of wildlife, really pretty. Let's go around and go check out the extra suite that's downstairs for your guests, or like I said, if you have in-laws that you need to take care of. Come on around. This is your owner's entryway from the garage. It's a 2-car garage. It is a little oversized. You know, a lot of our garages these days are kind of made for smaller cars, but this will hold a large SUV and a truck. So come on in. You have your laundry room with a utility sink, which is always a nice feature to have. Nice place to your mop sink or whatever you need it for. And then a separate bathroom here. And then the 5th bedroom. I will say this room is a bit small. It will hold, I would say, a queen size bed, but I don't think it would hold a king size bed comfortably. But it does have a good closet space. Also, this builder offers his house's insulation is spray foam. Then now we'll go on upstairs and take a peek at the other bedrooms. As we come on up the stairs here, they do, like I said earlier, there is real wood, hardwood on the floors, and the stair tread is all wood. The banisters are wood with beautiful twist irons. You have 3 bedrooms up here, and all serviced by 1 bathroom, I believe. Yeah. Double sinks in here. Of course, it's a tub shower combination, and no, I may be wrong. There may be another bathroom right here. Yeah. So you come on into, this is like a big, oversized bonus, but it is a bed. They do count it as a bedroom. Has a nice little seating area, great for reading and looking out over the community. So this would be bedroom number 4. Again, it all has good sized closets in all the rooms. You do have your attic entryway here. Like I said, they do offer spray foam, and part of the attic does have subflooring in it, which there's no light in there, but you can see the spray foam. And then 5th bedroom here. And another walk-in closet. Yeah, so 1 bathroom services 3 bedrooms. As I mentioned earlier in the video, we're here now at the Village's Apothecary. Just wanted to give you all a quick overview of kind of what's available here. There is the Apothecary, of course. You also have Wade Cleaners, so you have a place to drop off your dry cleaning. Your St. Francis OBGYN, Synovus Bank is right next door. You also had a tuxedo place. You've got Med Derm. So it's just a great little area that you could get a lot of things done that you need to get done. It's a cool place, and it's building on, so there's just a lot to offer here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tina Stewart, keeping real estate real. So now as we enter the Zachary, we have a little short hallway right here, right as you enter the front foyer. Off to the left is your entryway into the kitchen with a little dinette area, plenty of room for a host. A table of 6 can fit in here with your island, your induction stovetop, Frigidaire appliances, all stainless steel, real pretty little island, dishwasher, disposal, all the amenities that you would expect in a home of this caliber. We'll come back through and go into, this is your owner's entry from the laundry area. So you come in from your 2-car garage here. It's a good place over here for a little drop zone to put linens or your clothes, or if you just want to make it kind of your station for your pocketbooks, what have you, book bags. There's a little closet over here. Then we'll just walk back on out into the open concept floor plan. You have your half bath here, typical half bathroom. There is LVP flooring on the floor. It's really nice looking luxury paint vinyl flooring. You have your electric fireplace. You also have this great little space, I like to call it the Christmas tree closet because it utilizes all the space underneath the stairs. So it's a great storage area. Like I said, I call it Christmas tree storage. We'll head on over around the corner into the not supposed to say master bedroom anymore, the owner suite. We have nice big owner suite, plenty of room for a king size bed and all your furnishings that you'd enjoy. And then in the bathroom, we have marble tile flooring, freestanding shower, tub, and you gotta see this closet. Y'all come check out this closet. Every woman's closet. Who could ask for anything more than this beautiful closet? Plenty of places to put your shoes, hang all of your clothes, your pocketbooks up above, plenty of room. And again, here's the wonderful bathroom, beautiful tile, and you have a separate water closet. And then over here, you have an extra little closet space that you can put your hubby in. And it also has shelves for your shoes and whatnot. So a lot of storage in here for the owners. Beautiful soft close cabinetry, doors and drawers throughout the whole house. Dovetailed work on the cabinetry, really nice. Quartz countertops, stainless steel faucets. All right, so here we are. What a wonderful place for your kids to gather. You have a little nook over here where you could have your computer set up. They could have a little study zone, and then your television, all their gaming, plenty of room to put furniture, what have you. There are 2 bathrooms up here, so 1 bathroom services 2 bedrooms. Come on in. Standard bathroom, again, light gray cabinetry, stainless steel with open and closed, soft closed doors and drawers. And then here, it's a tub shower combination. And then you have bedroom, secondary bedroom, 1, 2, and 3. Big closets. A lot of closet space. I will say this builder does a good job on putting in plenty of storage. He's been a builder in Columbus, Georgia for over 50 years. His dad was Mr. Wright, who started a long time ago. Matter of fact, he built my parents' first house. So, again, secondary bedroom. And this bedroom has a good sized walk-in closet. There you go. And then the other bedroom, which is a nice feature, it has its own bathroom. Has a single vanity sink and a really large walk-in closet. So a great place for your college or teen person to have some of their own privacy. This house accommodates for everyone. All right, so come on outside and let's check out the back patio with its fun day porch. This is a great area to enjoy the fireplace. You do have some neighbors behind you. I will say this neighborhood does have a lot of pretty good amount of space between the homes. Now in this first phase, they had a lot bigger space, in my opinion. But as we go on down into the new construction, the lots do get a little bit smaller. But it is a nice little community. Hope y'all enjoyed the tour of the Zachary floor plan. If you would like to see this plan or any more that's going to be in this video, please, there's a link in the description to hop on my calendar. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm Tina Stewart, keeping the real estate real. All right, so Regal Point, one of the great features about this also, it does have underground utilities, sidewalks, light posts. It's a super kid-friendly area. Lots of families in here. This neighborhood is, the first phase of it, I'm gonna say, is probably about 8 years old. I sold a house in here about 8 years ago in the first phase. This is phase 2, and then the second phase is where the new construction's going on. There are lots available there. As I mentioned before, if you want more information about Regal Point, just hop on my calendar, and there's a link somewhere in the description for you to get onto my calendar. We can connect by Zoom or whatever's best for you. I'll be happy to help you. And also, if there's another community you would like for me to shoot a video about, please let me know. I'd be happy to accommodate. I'm always open for suggestions. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this tour of Regal Point Community. I certainly had a good time spending with y'all today. So I'm Tina Stewart, keeping real estate real. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.